Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly what you have to do is to turn off your XGODY. Wait for it to turn off. So after it completely turns off, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up, at the couple of seconds like this. And after that you will end up in the boot mode. So here in the boot mode you can use volume up to navigate and volume down to select, and you have such options as recovery mode, fastboot mode and normal boot. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the last option, normal boot, and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.